I contacted Ankit, I got to know about Crankit, and I immediately told him about all the issues. And I can confidently say today my car looks 6 years new car.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am Ankit Makkar, and today with us we have the Jeep Compass, which is coming not for ceramic coating, not for painting, but for detailing. Now this car has had a huge issue with the place it went to get PPF done. I'm not going to mention the name of the place, whereas I really feel like I should, but anyways, not to put anyone's work down, they've done a horrible job on this car. Now they've also hidden, while removing the PPF of the car, they removed the paint with it, and they've repainted a couple of panels without even informing the customer that they've repainted it. We will show you a close-up of this car and of the panels we're talking about, but the entire car's paint has been ruined because of the PPF, and this is within 1 year of the application of that PPF. Now our first target, the client doesn't have a lot of time right now, so we're going to be detailing the car and make it look a little better for now, and next month we're going to be stripping off the entire work that they've done of the repainting and do a fresh coat on the entire car. Now I'm going to take you to all the panels and show you closely what a bad job is done when you get cheap PPF done, or when you go and get PPF done on a budget. This is what happens to your car. So let's have a look. So when the PPF is usually removed from the door, now you have to remove the handles and then remove the leftover PPF from inside the door panels. Now what they've done is they have just pretty much ripped the PPF in whatever way they could without even removing the PPF from inside of the door handle. So you can see the leftover PPF, they've left it exactly like this. Now what we are going to be doing is to remove the handle and then remove the leftover PPF, polish the car, and then install the handles back. That's how it's supposed to be done. Yes, it's a little more expensive, but would you rather have this finish or have a much cleaner finish on the car? So as you can see, PPF यहाँ भी लगाया हुआ है, but उन्होंने यहाँ से सीधा काट दिया और जितना निकल रहा था नाखून से निकाला है. So all the leftover PPF, as you can see, if you can come in a little closer, you can see there is still PPF left over the arch in this gap, which looks really bad, and वो निकाला नहीं है ठीक से. So as you can see, on this side we have removed the door handle, and now we're going to be removing the PPF from inside of the door handle, polishing it and then putting it back. You can literally see, if you can come a little closer, you can see the difference between local cheap PPF and the actual paint. Look at the difference. Earlier the car was looking exactly like this. So PPF has a technique in which you can remove the PPF. Yes, it's a little more painstaking and it takes some time, but you need to do it properly without damaging the original paint. That is the whole point of putting PPF, is to protect the original paint. अगर आपका ओरिजिनल पेंट ही डैमेज कर रहे हो जो PPF निकाल रहे हैं, तो पॉइंट ही नहीं है PPF करने का. नाउ अगर आप पास आएंगे, आप देखेंगे जब PPF निकाला है इन्होंने लिटरली मार के with the blade they have actually damaged the entire paint. You can see it from here to here, and this is all over the car. There are lines. Now it's so deep that these cannot be removed with buffing. इसका only option है to repaint the car. You can see it very clearly. All this has been created with usage of wrong techniques, so it looks very bad. So बहुत important है to get the PPF removed and put at the right place. Yes, it's a little more expensive, but would you rather have your car look like this and have its original paint damaged? I don't think so. So don't always go in for the cheapest option that is available. Your car will end up like this, and it literally ruins the original finish that comes from the factory, which in this case they have, and they've repainted it and done a whole botched job, which is not what the client expected. So now what we are trying to do is a salvage operation to get this car back to at least some sort of condition, not like this. The car looks really bad in person. I don't know if the camera is even doing justice to it, but yeah, we hope to get the car at least looking much better than this, so the client can actually have the feeling of his new car. It's about a year old, but the cars could have been in much better condition if the work could have been done right. तो इस्लाम भाई, क्या आप रेडी हो इस गाड़ी को यहाँ से फाइनल तक लेके जाने के लिए?
हाँ सर।
और इस गाड़ी को बिल्कुल बढ़िया बनाएंगे?
एकदम बढ़िया बनाएंगे सर।
कैसे? ऐसे तो नहीं? गाड़ी कैसे लग रही है अभी?
अभी तो बहुत ख़राब लग रही है अभी गाड़ी आपकी।
बट हम करेंगे इसको ब्रांड न्यू
इंशाल्लाह इसको अच्छा, इससे अच्छा बनाएंगे, करेंगे।
क्या चीप काम कराना चाहिए? लोग चीप के चक्कर में ऐसे काम कराते हैं, चीप काम कराना चाहिए नहीं?
नहीं,
कराओ तो अच्छा क्वालिटी कराओ, बट एक बार कराओ, है कि नहीं?
हाँ, कराइए तो अच्छा कराइए, वरना नहीं कराइए।
आई लाइक दैट। ये वाले पैनल से जैसा आपने देखा, we have removed the PPF and polished it, so you can make out the difference between this and the one which is here. अगर आप पास आकर देखोगे तो you can see the color difference. If you put cheap PPF, this is how the car becomes, and when you remove it, this is how the original paint actually looks. So you can make out the difference between this and this handle as well. Now we'll show you the interior as well. The interior was very dirty of this car and it hadn't been cleaned for a while. The leather has not been conditioned since the start. So we're going to be doing that. We're going to clean it out and condition the leather. So we're going to show you that as well. So like you can see, we're cleaning up the interiors, and if you can come closer, you'll be able to make out the difference between the clean and the dirty. So this is how the interior was. It was this dirty before and this after cleaning it. And you can see down as well how dirty it actually looks. It's almost become black, and after cleaning, this part looks white again. So it's very important to get your interiors cleaned on a timely basis, especially if you have interiors that are very light in color, so that they look clean. Now I've shown you the difference after cleaning, how it actually looks. It's back to the original finish, and this is how it was before. So guys, we're finally done with the polishing of the car, and like you can see, the entire car looks a lot whiter than it was before. That is with the help of paint correction that we do to kind of brighten out the full paint and give it a gloss finish in the car. Now the paint should, on a regular basis, even if you have a white car, उस पे अगर PBS ceramic नहीं भी है तो contamination free बैठेगा and paint will look dull after some time. So very important to paint correct it from time to time to give it that gloss finish and to keep it looking glossy. Now we're going to show you around the car. You've seen the before shots, किस condition में गाड़ी आई थी. Now we're going to show you the car after we're done with it, so you can have a look at how it looks, and then the customer will tell you how they liked it.
I contacted Ankit, I got to know about crankit, and I immediately told him about all the issues, and I can confidently say today my car looks 6 years new car.